Fine, let me go with the third problem here. Right, evaluate and choose the correct option for a square b cube c to the power of 2, right, a to the power of 4, b to the power of 6 and c to the power of 2. Right, let us write down that. Right, a square, right, b cube plus c whole to the power of 2, that divided by a to the power of 4, right, b to the power of 6 and c to the power of 2. Right, this I can rewrite like this: a to the power of 2 to the power of 2, right, into b to the power of 3 to the power of 2 into c to the power of 2. That is a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn, right, which is nothing but a to the power of 4. Right, this will become a to the power of 4 into b to the power of 6 into c to the power of 2. Now let us go to the numerator, that is a 2 into 2, that is according to this rule. Right, so this will become a to the power of 4 into 3 2s are 6, b to the power of 6 into c square, that divided by a to the power of 4 into b to the power of 6 into c square. Right, so observe here. So numerator a to the power of 4 is there, a to the power of 4 is there, cancel it. Similarly you can cancel b to the power of 6, c square also you can cancel. Right, this will become 1. Right, option B is the right one.